As we know, Samsung usually launches its Galaxy S series flagships in February or March, but next year the Galaxy S21 series is launching sooner than expected. So far we have seen the design of Galaxy S21 and S21 Ultra thanks to the renders of these phones shared by OnLeaks. What we didn't know so far was the exact date of the event at which these phones would launch next year. Well, today Jon Prosser revealed on his Twitter account that the Galaxy S21 series will be announced on the 14th of January. The pre-orders of the Galaxy S21 series are starting on the same day and the phones will go on sale on the 29th of January. That is 2 weeks after the announcement. Samsung usually holds the Unpacked event in February every year, but as per some reports, Samsung is launching the Galaxy S21 series in mid-January in order to take on the recently launched iPhone 12 series. Jon also confirmed that just like this year, there are 3 flagships launching under the Galaxy S21 series next year. So there is the Galaxy S21, which is the cheapest of the 3, then there is the Galaxy S21 Plus, and finally there is the most expensive of the 3, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Ross Young, who is the founder of the Display Supply Chain Consultants, has already shared the color options of the phones. So while the Galaxy S21 is coming in grey, pink, violet and white colors, the Galaxy S21 Plus is coming in only black and silver. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is coming in black, silver and violet colors. Finally, according to a report by 91 Mobiles, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with either 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate. Ross Young says that the display is indeed 6.8 inches and it is an LTPO panel. The chipset is going to be the Exynos 2100 or the Snapdragon 875 depending on the market in which it launches. The S21 Ultra has a 108 megapixel primary rear camera and a 40 megapixel front camera. Finally, there is a 5000 mAh battery and One UI 3.0 runs out of the box based on Android 11. So that's it for this video, and do let me know what are your expectations from the Galaxy S21 series. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.